Look, I'll send you the yawn. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Look, you must keep on looking.
That's tremendous. That is tremendous.
Oh, amazing. Wow.
Yeah,
Here we go.
See you guys.
Oh, yeah. Moet ik mijn camera raken? Look at that.
Come on, you can do it. Amazing, thank you.
Performance anxiety. What's he doing?
Flying bubbles.
Hiding his head.
He's actually amusing.
Oh, this cute little ears.
Ja, no, this is the same thing I like.
Look at the moustaches on his nose, and that's for him to feel around while he's in the water. Because the water is obviously very murky all the time, so then they can feel. Same to an elephant as well. Elephants have got lots of hair around the lower jaw and underneath the trunk, so they can feel, because they can't see their mouth.
Yeah.
So they can feel exactly where the mouth is.
Sing amazing. Okay.
Wow.
Yay! Well done, buddy.
Mission accomplished.
Ja, kijk nou al naar.
Ja, nee. Ik heb die halve ding dit.